All right, so I can go ahead and begin building my little deck here and building my ramp here. So I'm gonna partake of an old ancient Southern ritual that all Southern folk turn to when life gets to be a little bit too much. See, in this glass, I have sweet tea. And if you live in the South and you're doing work, sometimes you reach a certain point where you just have to stop and get yourself a little bit of sweet tea. That's how the South won the war right there, buddy. Yes, sure is. And actually, this is a pretty good time to move those stairs, because while Honey Baby and the dogs ain't here, she's gone into town to get some plant stuff. But if I work a little bit rapidly, I could have finished what I would like to have finished by the time they get back, so that they can go up the new ramp. Wouldn't that be a hoot? Ooh. Technically and religiously, you're not supposed to drink sweet tea out of a metal cup with a straw, but this metal cup preserves the ice cubes for longer than a glass will, and the straw sort of contributes to that same process. So in this case, I'm gonna employ a little tea drinking sacrilege by using this cup and this straw, but other than that, I'm pretty much within the limits of the Confederate Manual for Proper Behavior. So if y'all have any concerns with that, just call up General Lee and make your concerns known to him. And we'll just see what comes of it. Okay? Okay. Would you like to help me, please? Go around to the other side of this board here. Now I want to bolt this board inside of these two. I'm going to have to bump this one out just a hair. Make it fit. Yeah, just like that. You just hold one in while I get a screw started. It's staying by itself.
Huh?
It is staying by itself. That's good. Okay, I think it might be time for some lunch. Oh, boards. I forgot to put my camera on while I was doing that. But if I cut them right, I should be able to make me a ramp from there to here so that the dogs can walk up it. And I'll set you right over here in the shade so you can look out at what I'm about to do. I'm going to attach them boards. That sounds like someone with a tractor. While we was doing that, my buddy Larry showed up with his tractor. So let's go see what happens down here.